Anyone can be the narcissist flying monkey. Let me repeat this. Anyone and everyone can find themselves in the position of being the narcissist flying monkey. However, unwittingly, however, unintentionally. The narcissist co-opts people around him or her. And sometimes they don't know what they're doing. They become the narcissist's long arms, his strategic weapons, and they've never meant to be. But here they are, where the narcissist has placed them. So anyone can serve as the narcissist's flying monkey. Intimate partners, children, parents, friends, co-workers, neighbors, the mentally ill, activists, law enforcement, institutions, criminals, the media, and academics. Anyone and everyone can become the narcissist's flying monkey